Have you ever wondered which animals are the smartest on Earth? Not the fastest, not the strongest, but the ones that can solve problems, use tools, remember faces, plan ahead, communicate in complex ways, and even show emotions like empathy and grief. Humans often think intelligence belongs only to us, but nature tells a very different story. Today, we're exploring the 10 cleverest animals in the world, what makes them smart, what amazing things they can do, and where they live. Some of these animals may surprise you. Let's begin. 10. Orangutan, the quiet thinker. Orangutans are thoughtful, patient, and highly intelligent. They use tools, plan ahead, and pass knowledge culturally from one generation to the next. Orangutans build complex sleeping platforms, use leaves as umbrellas, and solve problems through observation rather than trial and error. They are mainly found in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra. 9. Rat, the small brain with big power. Rats are small, but their brains are powerful. Rats are incredibly intelligent and adaptable. They learn mazes quickly, remember solutions, show empathy by freeing trapped companions, and learn by observing others. Rats are excellent problem solvers, one reason they're commonly studied in science. Rats adapt rapidly to new environments, which is why they thrive alongside humans. 8. Parrot, the talking thinker. Parrots are famous for talking, but their intelligence goes far beyond mimicry. Parrot understands also. Some parrots understand meaning, not just sounds. African gray parrots can identify colors, shapes, numbers, and quantities. Some parrots use logic to solve problems and express preferences. They show emotional intelligence, form strong bonds, and learn through observation. Their ability to communicate makes their intelligence highly visible. Where they are found. Parrots live in tropical and subtropical regions, especially South America, Africa, and Australia. Number 7. Pig, smarter than you think. Pigs are often underestimated, but science tells a different story. Pigs solve puzzles, learn symbols, remember locations, and even play video games using joysticks. They recognize themselves in mirrors and manipulate their environment to reach goals. In many cognitive tests, pigs perform as well as or better than dogs. 6. Dog, the social intelligence champion. Dogs' intelligence lies in understanding humans. Dogs understand hundreds of words, follow pointing gestures, read human emotions, and solve problems. Some breeds, like border collies, can learn over 1,000 object names. Dogs also demonstrate empathy, loyalty, and advanced communication skills. They don't just follow commands, they understand intentions. 5. Octopus, the ultimate escape artist. The octopus proves intelligence doesn't require backbone or even a centralized brain. What they do. Octopuses can open jars, solve mazes, unlock cages, and escape aquariums through tiny gaps. They use coconut shells and rocks as portable shelters, change color and texture instantly for camouflage, and show curiosity toward humans. They have 9 brains, 1 central brain, and 1 in each arm, allowing arms to act independently. Octopuses can think and act in ways no other animal can. Octopuses live, especially in coral reefs and deep-sea floors. 4. Crow, the feathered mastermind. Crows may not look impressive, but don't be fooled. They are among the smartest birds and animals on Earth. Crows can solve multi-step puzzles, craft tools from sticks and wires, drop nuts onto roads so cars can crack them open. Crows even recognize human faces, remembering who was kind or who was threatening for years. Crows plan for the future, teach skills to their young, and sometimes work together to deceive other animals. Some experiments show crows have intelligence comparable to a 7-year-old human child. Crows are found in every continent except Antarctica, thriving in both wild and urban environments. Elephant, the memory giant. Elephants have the largest brain of any land animal and extraordinary intelligence. What they do. Elephants show empathy, mourn their dead, recognize themselves in mirrors, and remember locations of water sources over vast distances, even after decades. They show empathy, cooperation, and strong family bonds. Elephants also use tools, solve puzzles, and communicate through low-frequency sounds that can travel miles through the ground. Elephants are found mainly in Africa and parts of Asia, living in forests, grasslands, and savannas. 2. Dolphin, the genius of the ocean. Dolphins are often called the second smartest animals in the world. Dolphins have names for each other, communicated through unique whistles. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, understand complex commands, and solve problems cooperatively. They hunt cooperatively, using advanced strategies, and even use tools like some dolphins place sponges on their noses to protect themselves while searching for food on the ocean floor. Dolphins show empathy, help injured pod members, and have been known to assist humans in danger. Dolphins live especially in warm and temperate water. And finally, number 1. Chimpanzee, the genius of the jungle. Chimpanzees are widely considered the smartest non-human animals on the planet. What they do? Chimpanzees use tools, sticks to fish, termites, stones to crack nuts, and leaves as sponges to collect water. They can learn sign language, understand symbols, count, and even outperform humans in short-term memory tasks. They also show complex emotions, form friendships, cooperate in hunting, and engage in political-style alliances within their groups. Where they are found. Chimpanzees live in Central and West Africa, mainly in forests and savannas. Their intelligence is so close to humans that they share about 98% of our DNA. Intelligence in animals comes in many forms: problem-solving, communication, memory, emotional awareness, and creativity. Some animals think like engineers. Others think like strategists, and some think like social geniuses. But one thing is clear: humans are not alone in intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more fascinating animal facts, and comment below which animal surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.